Millionaire success mindset. Achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire isn't just about luck or raw talent. It is also about having the right mindset. The millionaire success mindset is characterized by a focus on abundance, an ability to think positively and take calculated risks to succeed. Those who have this type of mindset see obstacles as opportunities for growth, and remain resilient in the face of setbacks. Let's begin. Number 1. Continue learning. It's important to nurture and cultivate a mindset that will enable you to fulfill dreams and achieve financial freedom. However, developing this mindset is not easy. It requires continuous learning, personal growth, and an unwavering determination to succeed. Having long-term goals and working steadily towards their accomplishment will allow anyone to develop the kind of mindset that breeds success. Number 2. Invest. Investing is a crucial aspect of achieving financial success. It requires a long-term perspective and strategic planning, but the rewards can be significant. By investing early and regularly, you can reap the benefits of compound interest, and see wealth grow over time. This practice not only builds wealth, but it also requires disciplined decision-making that can lead to greater confidence in other areas of life. Number 3. Focus on the right things. When it comes to success, many people believe that hard work and talent are the only two factors needed for achieving it. While these play a crucial role in determining one's success, it is also important to have a millionaire success mindset. This means staying focused on the right things, and avoiding distractions that may derail your progress. A millionaire success mindset is all about having clarity on your goals, prioritizing tasks, and discarding any distractions that do not align with your vision. Number 4. Work on yourself. If you want to achieve success and become a millionaire, it's important to first work on yourself. This way of thinking involves consistently setting and achieving goals, embracing a positive attitude, and taking strategic risks, among other habits. By cultivating these traits and behaviors within yourself, you'll be better equipped to tackle the challenges and obstacles that inevitably arise on the path to success. Within time, you can develop the habits necessary to achieve goals and attain the success you desire. Number 5. Never lose sight of the goal. You must believe that achieving wealth and success is possible if you work hard and stay focused. One of the most important things is to never lose sight of your end goal. Each action and decision made should always bring you closer to that goal, no matter how small the step may be. The belief in oneself, and the ability to overcome obstacles is a key cornerstone of this mindset, while also being strategic, is an inherent part of the journey towards realizing financial prosperity. Finally, it requires a dedication to continuously learn, hone skills, and seek new opportunities in order to adapt. Number 6. Have a willingness to work hard. This mindset is also made up of determination, drive, and ambition, along with a willingness to work hard. It requires a recognition that one's current reality does not determine their future, and that they have the power to change their circumstances. Millionaires are committed to expanding their knowledge and honing their skills, never settling for complacency. It's important to possess a fierce determination and an unwavering drive to succeed, even in the face of difficulty. Readily embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and embody an unshakable belief in your ability to achieve goals. Above all, use your willingness to work hard, toil for long hours, and sacrifice in the short term for long-term gain sets. This will set you apart from those with a different frame of mind. Number 7. Learn to respect money. Money, it's a part of our daily lives, yet many people never truly learn to respect it. One of the most important steps you can take is to start treating money with the respect it deserves. This means taking the time to educate yourself on financial matters, staying on top of bills and expenses, and making wise investments. When you learn to appreciate the value of money and take control of finances, you'll find it much easier to achieve goals, and enjoy a life of financial freedom. Number 8. Work on transforming into a growth mindset. Transforming oneself is not an overnight process, but it is an incredibly worthwhile pursuit. One of the primary keys to cultivating this mindset is to focus on abundance, rather than scarcity. This entails viewing the world as a place of limitless opportunities, rather than a place of limited resources. Additionally, it involves being proactive, and taking personal responsibility for one's successes and failures. Number 9. A positive attitude. Having a positive attitude is crucial for achieving success in any endeavor, and this is especially true when it comes to a mindset geared towards making millions. It takes a certain degree of ambition and determination to create and maintain the habits and practices that lead to financial success, but it all starts with cultivating a positive, can-do attitude. Believing in oneself and in one's ability to overcome obstacles and achieve one's goals is the foundation of a millionaire success mindset. Whether it's starting a new business venture, investing in the stock market, or pursuing real estate investments, developing a positive and proactive outlook is essential for long-term success. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 10. Know your motivation. It is important to first examine your motivations. Why do you want to become wealthy? What are the driving forces behind your desire for financial freedom? To achieve success in any field, discovering your motivations, and having a clear understanding of why you want to achieve your goals, is a very critical factor. For those with a desire to achieve great wealth, having this is invaluable. This approach to wealth creation involves a positive outlook, developing a growth mindset, and constantly striving to improve one's financial knowledge and skills. Number 11. Think big. You must think big in order to achieve big things. Having a millionaire success mindset is not just about making money, it's about developing a way of thinking and acting that can lead to success in all areas of life. This means setting high goals for yourself, and believing that you can achieve them. It requires the ability to think big and have a vision for what is possible. This means focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles, and constantly seeking out new ways to improve oneself and one's situation. By adopting this mindset, one can achieve not just financial success, but also personal growth and fulfillment. Number 12. Always look for opportunities. Always be on the lookout for opportunities. This mindset requires a constant hunger for knowledge and growth, as well as the ability to see obstacles as challenges to be overcome, rather than barriers. The rich understand that setbacks are simply a natural part of the journey, and approach them with a positive, proactive outlook. Number 13. Be mentally tough. Being mentally tough is an essential quality to have in today's fast-paced world, where challenges are increasingly frequent. It means being resilient and persevering in the face of adversity, whether that's in your personal or professional life. Mentally tough people don't let setbacks or failures hold them back. By developing mental toughness, you can build inner strength and a positive mindset, which can help you navigate through life's uncertainties with greater success and satisfaction. Number 14. Visualize your success. Visualizing your success is a powerful tool that can help you achieve goals. By taking the time to imagine what achieving your dreams will look and feel like, you can set a clear direction and increase your motivation. In addition, visualization can help you identify potential obstacles and come up with strategies to overcome them. Best of all, the more vividly you imagine your success, the more likely it is to become a reality. When we can see ourselves succeeding, it becomes easier to put in the work required to make it a reality. This is partially due to the way our brains work. When we visualize something happening, even if it hasn't happened yet, our brain believes it to be real. This can help us overcome self-doubt and build confidence. Number 15. Spend your time wisely. Time is truly our most valuable commodity. It's the one thing we can't get back once it's been spent. So, it's more important than ever to use our time wisely. So many of us get caught up in tasks that don't truly matter, leaving us feeling unfulfilled and unsatisfied at the end of the day. Whether you are trying to build a successful career, or starting a business, it's important to devote your time and energy towards meaningful pursuits that will lead to long-term success. However, this does not mean that you should ignore your personal responsibilities and relationships as well. Number 16. Build systems. Building a system for success is crucial in achieving long-term growth and sustainability. Rather than simply setting goals, which can be limiting and short-sighted, a system focuses on the habits that lead to success. By creating a system, individuals and organizations can develop consistent routines and behaviors that promote growth and success over time. Whether it's developing a daily exercise routine or implementing a strategic plan for a business, a system can provide the framework necessary to achieve sustained progress, and ultimately, success. Number 17. Adopt a now mentality. It's easy to get caught up in waiting for the perfect moment to make a change or take action, but adopting a now mentality can lead to greater success and satisfaction. Procrastination often leads to missed opportunities and lost momentum, while taking action immediately can lead to a sense of accomplishment and motivate further progress. By focusing on the present moment and taking decisive action, you can break free from the cycle of indecision and move confidently towards your goals. Even if mistakes are made along the way, the act of taking action can build resilience and ultimately lead to greater success. Number 18. No excuses. These two words can have a major impact on your life. When you take responsibility for your actions, you are empowered to create the life you want to live. It's easy to blame others or make excuses for why you haven't achieved your goals, but ultimately the only person you are really hurting is yourself. With each passing day, it becomes clearer that you are the master of your own destiny. Regardless of whether you currently find yourself on a path of success or struggling to make ends meet, it is important to acknowledge the role that you have played in getting yourself to this point. The good news is, you have the ability to change your circumstances. You can turn the situation around and create a better future for yourself. Don't forget to visit our description link below. We recommend you watch these next two videos on wealth creating.